Welcome to MindFlows. Today, in this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to view work management members in your Monday.com account. Let's dive right in. There are two ways you can view the members of the work management. One is to go to any of your workspaces under Work Management, and the other is through the administration settings found on your avatar. Let's go over to the first one. Click the three dots beside the workspace name and click Work Management Overview. Here you will see a description of the work management product. At the top right, click View Members. The other way is to click your avatar. Go to Administration and click Users. Each of these members that has this logo on the Products column are the ones that are part of the work management. And that's it. You now know how to view work management members on Monday.com. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and keep your team on the same page. Follow us for new tutorials every week. We're MindFlows, a certified Monday.com partner.